How to permanently delete Facebook account. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to permanently delete your Facebook account in 2025. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Facebook app on your phone and make sure that you're logged in to your account. And now here, once you're inside the app, simply tap on the three dash icon, which can be seen in the top right corner of the screen. And now from here, you simply have to tap on the gear icon, which can be seen in the top right side of the screen. And here, once you are in the settings and privacy section, just tap on the option that says See More in Account Center. And now here, you simply have to scroll down and tap on Personal Details. And now here, once you are in the section, just tap on Account Ownership and Control. And on the new page, simply select the option that says Deactivation or Deletion. Now here, simply select your Facebook account, and after that, simply choose Delete Account option and tap on Continue. And after that, you simply have to tap on Continue again. And here on the next page, simply give it a reason why you are deleting the account. And here, once you have done with it, you simply have to tap on Continue. And just tap on Continue again. And here on the next page, you can download all your info before deleting your account. And with that, you just have to tap on Continue. And after that, on the next page, you simply have to enter the password to confirm your action. And after that, Facebook will warn you that your account will be permanently deleted after 30 days. And during this time, you can cancel it if you change your mind. So here, after 30 days, your account and all data will be gone forever. And here, if you are sure you want to delete account, you can just tap on delete account, and after that, your Facebook account will be scheduled for permanent deletion. And that's it. That's how you can permanently delete Facebook account. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.